afternoon and welcome to my channel. I'm doing a flip through of a kit that I've been sent by Paperomia Coyote, who is also the Edwardian era journal I'm doing. I'm just doing a flip through of it, explaining the kit to you. It's her underwater collection, and this is, I've just printed some without any backs, these ones. There's these type of backs here, which kind of give you the sort of hazy texture pages that bring kind of watery vibes with it. Oops, that way around. As you can see here, it's kind of like very it's like when you drop water on a picture or written text, it becomes hazy and ink gets separated. I think that's what she's trying to show here with the pages. It is a gorgeous kit. It's this part of it is 23 pages plus templates plus lined papers. I think I've got the right one. No, I haven't. I've got the wrong one. This is this one. I've got to get it right. This is 34 single sheets that I've double-sided, A4 portrait and ephemera. So I'll show you these first. Look at these, gorgeous. They kind of pop out at you like these. I love these. And then she has a few sort of collage type pages, which will be great with the other part of the kit I'm going to show you in shortly. So these are sort of like, they're not textured, but they kind of, it sort of makes you feel like you're there, like you're scuba diving and you're actually there with the fishes. So that's those pages. And then on top of that, you've got some ephemera already done for you. Bookmarks, or they could be belly bands, side pockets, whatever really. She calls these pockets or labels. These are side pockets. More pockets here, and then there's some fussy cuts here, and then you've got some tags and then some stamps as well. And this is called the Underwater Collection. And then what you've got is, where is it? There. Here. Which is more the texture pages. These are more like the soft corals and turquoise backgrounds that you can imagine with sort of life underwater. As I said, they kind of pop at you. So you're seeing them when you're scuba diving, as I said. So that's quite nice. I like them anyway. Then this is what she calls her add-on kit. However, it's all in one kit, and I believe it's £4.87 for the kit. So you're getting over 50 pages here. And these are more textured pages. So it looks like 3D images, and there's lots of swirls and pop-up images. It will look like you can actually feel the designs on the sheet. As you can see, they're quite 3D. I think she's so cute. Here, and more collage type pages. And look, the little fishes with their eyes. You know, when you're under the ocean, things don't seem quite clear. It's more like wavy and flowy due to the water effect. And I think she's trying to bring that feeling with these textured pages here. So it's, the textured pages bring the watery vibes. See, this makes me think this is all underwater. The Lost City. And mermaids. There's mermaids. And castles. You see how it gives that 3D effect. The fish with his poppy eyes. You feel like you're swimming there. And then what else you've got is some lined pages like this for notes. And I did double side this one and thought this could actually go like that. The pages are portrait rather than landscape. But then I thought what I could do with these, if I wanted to do a landscape journal, is in fact cover them with some of this either side and make pockets and things on these. So you've got a bit of writing space and a bit of decorated space. So these are your lined journaling pages here. Again, quite a 3D effect. And then what I've done, again here with this one, I've double-sided it with one of those. So you could, in effect, kind of put that way. And the same with this one here. You could fold that in half. And you've got two sides to it. And then here, you've got ephemera templates. So these provide you with the freedom for designing your own ephemera, whether it's tags, pockets or envelopes. So you can cut these out and then place them. So for instance, if you want that on the front, you'll be able to cut it round that so you know the fishy is on the front. So this is envelopes, 1, 2, pockets, another envelope, 3 envelopes and 2 pockets. And these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 envelopes with different sizes. And then you've got more envelope templates, again more sizes with different parts to them here. And then she's done some tag templates as well. Now you could take these and then glue on top of them, or you could cut them out and use them as a template again to make yourself your own tags. Again, I could have that fish on there and just draw around that fish. You know, I think it's a great idea. It makes a change, and you've got the templates for any future projects as well. So I am loving this kit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out the templates. I'm going to make some envelopes and pockets up and do some decorating on them. And then I've got my son coming, so I won't be doing a journal with them yet. It'll be a few weeks yet. But I'll come back in a minute with the pockets and showing you what I've done with them. So I've used some of these templates, including some of the templates for the tags, to cut out some envelopes. I've also cut out all the ephemera, and on the fussy cuts, this is the size they come. So I've printed 2 to a page to get the smaller versions here. So what I've done is I've made an envelope here with one of the smaller fussy cuts. I've taken a tag, I've covered it in this blue antique vintage book page from the early 1900s, and these are from Amity Bloom, her Summer Words. But I've also torn a piece of paper from one of the sheets and just covered it with that, and then put that into this little envelope here. So that's one. And then this one's a pocket. I've put some lace on the bottom. Say yes to new adventures, done the same here. Just done some collaging really. This one again is one of the tiny envelopes. And again, I've used some of that book page on here, and I'm walking on sunshine. I've also got a cold now, which I'm not very happy about. This one, I wasn't sure about it, how it worked, but what I've done, I've folded it in, and there was 2 pieces like this, another piece down here. I folded that in to glue it down, and then I just put a little dangle on here with a seahorse, and again, another little tag, sunshine. This is just one of the very small envelopes I made up, so you see the different sizes you've got. And of course I drew round so that I made sure that flower was on the front. And then this is the last pocket I've got here, and I put a piece of cheesecloth and a small seahorse. And then this is more like a journal card, all the adventures that summer brings, and again a bit of collaging with some scraps of the paper.
So this is how they're made up. And these, I've got to get the two lots out here. And these are the pages. So just showing you what you can do. I will be doing a journal eventually. I'm going to do a tall, skinny one and put something together once my son's been. Anyway, thanks very much for looking at this quick video. Speak to you all again soon. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and the notification bell. Thanks a lot. Bye.